Hello everyone, welcome to EngLanGo. This is your instructor Hamid Talash with one of the most essential topics today with you all, and that is about English conversation. बहुत सारे students जो कि पूछते थे about English conversation, how to start English conversation. Beginners हमेशा beginners के लिए या intermediate level जो student होते हैं उनको जो problem होती है that is about conversation or how to improve their English conversation. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about English conversation, how to begin conversation, especially for beginners. Being a beginner, when you are going to begin the conversation, you need to take care of few points. First, you will commit mistakes. It's okay if you commit mistakes. Second, you will forget words and phrases. कोई बात नहीं है. You can forget. It's fine. It's not a big deal. Your friend, when you are going to practice, you need to find a friend to practice with. If you practice with your friend, that is going to help you more. You can ask and answer questions from yourself too. Let's go towards our first point. If you want to improve your conversation, start it from your introduction. Either ask your friend to introduce him or herself to you. Beside that, you can do your introduction too. For example, if my friend asks me, introduce yourself, so I would love to say about my name, about my nationality, about my occupation, about the place that I live, my location. These all things I have to describe. For example, you ask me, what's your introduction? And I'm saying, I'm Hamid Talash Ibrahimi. I'm basically from Afghanistan, but I live in Pakistan. And I am a teacher, a trainer, English language trainer. And I live in Peshawar, Pakistan. Now, this is what my common introduction is. And if you want to know about professional introduction, then it's a good idea to visit the same channel. There is my video I have recorded on introduce yourself or how to introduce yourself. You should watch that too. The second point की तरफ हम जाते हैं. And second point or second topic that you can do your conversation on, that is hobbies and interest. You can ask your friend, what are your hobbies? Or what are some hobbies? There are different hobbies like hiking, like selling, like playing games, like watching TV, like reading books, like going to gym or climbing, going to the park. There are so many hobbies. They are called hobbies or interest. For example, I take interest. मेरा interest जो है वो क्या है? My interest is to read books in my free time. So if my friend asks me, अगर मेरा friend मुझसे पूछता है, what is your free time activity or what is your favorite hobby? I would love to say, my favorite hobby is reading books. My favorite hobby is reading books. Or if my friend asks me, what else you do in your free time or what are you interested in to do it in your free time? So I would love to say that I like hiking. मुझे hiking पसंद है. Besides that, I like playing games. I like going to gym or playing karate. Depends जो मेरा interest है. If someone asks you that what is your hobby, what are you interested in, what is your question to him or her? So please tell me about your hobbies and interest. Fine. Moving towards the third topic that you can do conversation on. Third topic जिस पे आप easily conversation कर सकते हैं, that is your daily routine. आपको पता होना चाहिए how to describe my daily routine. और same topic पे मैंने video upload की है how to describe your daily routine. It's a good idea to visit my channel, the same video, and watch about daily routine, how to describe it. It's fine. I'm gonna describe. If you ask me, what is your daily routine? So I would love to say, I wake up early in the morning, I get up, I take shower, I dress myself, I take breakfast. After that, I fresh myself for the school. I go to the school, I take some classes. After taking classes, I come back home. Then I take lunch and perform my prayers. Next, I come to my English language class. I take my English language class. After taking my English language class, I love playing games. That is my hobby, my free time activity. That time is for entertainment. I love playing games. After that, I do self-study, perform my prayers, and take my lunch. After taking my lunch, I do some homework of my school. Finally, I sleep. That's how आप अपने daily routine को describe कर सकते हैं. If you want to know more about it, as I earlier mentioned, you have to visit to the channel. आपने मेरे इसी चैनल में EngLanGo में आपने जाके टॉपिक को वहाँ से रीड करना है. Understand करना है. You need to watch it, read it, and understand it. If there is any other question, you're most welcome to ask me. No worries, dear all, the second part of the same video is going to be uploaded soon. That what are more topics that we can do conversation with. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay happy. Have a great time.